Doug Thompson here, and we're here at the shop. I've been asked by a client to make another handrail just like this. This is 1 inch by 2 inch solid bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to forge about this much in the forge today. So anyways, we're going to start off and do that prep, put it in the forge, and get started with the power hammer. I'm going to go ahead and bevel the flat bar in preparation for forging. If I don't do that and we forge this on the power hammer, these sharp edges will lip over. We have the 1x2 flat bar in the forge. We brought it up to temperature. I'm going to go ahead and begin to forge down the end with the power hammer. Now I'm going to work this region right here. Good. Got it? Yep. All right. Okay. I want all that scale going down into the see how it's out of plane? It's out of plane. Pull it to the edge of the anvil. Back in plane. We're going to 1, 2, 3, and go. That's it, that's it, that's it. We'll test it and see how close it is. Okay, go ahead and
Let's test it. I think that one's done.
We'll do the other one. Exactly.